Hi! So a while ago, and I mean a while ago, I decided to order glasses online for the first time. A little backstory, I've been wearing glasses since I was like 6 years old. So in short, I'm really blind. These glasses I got from Sam's Club, their optic center, and they were expensive to say the least. I mean, they're Ray-Bans too, so like the name brand is expensive. But then like I realized how fragile they are because Kylo has whacked me in the face and bent them. So I figured instead of spending like $130 on frames, why not spend like $12 to $30. My sister actually has bought glasses online before and they look really great. She has like these like cute little gold frames and these like I think clear plastic frames. So I loved her glasses so much, so I figured like, you know, I'd get glasses from where she got them, which was EyeBuyDirect. I also have another friend who's gotten like 3 pairs of glasses online, so I was like, damn, like if they're that cheap, like I'll have options. I'm also really terrible with things, like these glasses are like not even a year old, or maybe just a year old, and they're like already scuffed to hell. And I can't blame it on the dogs. It's completely my fault. I just let them fall on the ground as if they're not expensive and delicate. So backtracking to when I said that I'm blind as f, my prescription. So okay, let me put it in perspective. My old boss, I had to like schedule appointments for him, and like I remember his prescription was like 2 something. My sister's is about the same, so it's like 2.75, like negative 2.75. Mine is negative 6.0. So I'm really blind. So that's great. That also meant that my cheap online glasses ended up being extremely expensive. So the frames were like $12. Then the lenses ended up being extremely expensive. And because they were so strong, I decided, I mean, they gave me the option to like not thin them out, but the option to thin them out was like an additional $40. So all in all, it was still cheaper than what I would have paid for at my optical center that I go to. But then again, the lenses are cheap at Sam's Club, but the frames are expensive, but these lenses ended up being expensive. Or I don't know, maybe the lenses would have been expensive at the optical center since my vision has gotten so much worse. Anyway, let me not have my address in this. I figured we can do an unboxing together, experience this journey together. I'm gonna go get a mirror. My little $20 Conair mirror, which has a terrible light. It was kind of a waste of money. Ooh, I'm excited. All right, so yeah, so I got my glasses from EyeBuyDirect. It was actually pretty easy to use the website. Obviously, this isn't sponsored because I have like 10 subscribers. I just figured I'd give an honest review since me as like a glasses shopper, like I was watching like YouTube reviews and seeing like how people's experiences are. So that's what I'm doing. So it comes in a tiny little box, which I thought was kind of cute. Maybe I should, oh, there we go. So, oh my God. It comes in a cute little, oh no, I want to take the whole thing out. Oh, this is so cute. Look. I don't know if it'll focus or not, but, and then look, see the possibilities. That's really cute. Oh, I need a sip of coffee, hold on. Okay. It comes in a cute little bag. I'm nervous, so because I'm so blind, you can see that there's like that, like my eyes obviously look smaller, like so when I tried these glasses on in store, I had my contacts in and they looked great and my eyes looked normal. And then when I like got my prescription glasses and I tried them on, I was like, oh, my eyes look so tiny, which mind you, since like I started like middle school, my glasses have been so strong that it gives that effect on my eyes, and of course it's gotten worse over time. And my glasses before these were those like classic Ray-Bans, so they were huge frames, so it showed more of how tiny my eye was. But I got used to it and I think it looks fine, you know, but I was a little shook at first. So I'm a little concerned because I haven't tried these on at all. And my inspiration for these glasses was Jess from New Girl. So let's see. Oh, these look so cute. I don't know if it'll focus. I'm not patient enough to let it focus. These are really, for $12, this feels sturdy as hell. This is actually really good quality. I'm surprised. Like, not that I was expecting like H&M faux glasses that you can buy for like $9.99, but like, I definitely wasn't expecting them to feel like so sturdy. And I decided to get like all plastic just in case asshole over there decides to like whack me in the face. That way they don't bend as easy. Oh, aha, there we go. See, super cute. I'm also thinking about getting new lenses for these frames because I do still love these frames, but it's a very noticeable difference of the prescription, so I wouldn't be able to switch these out without giving myself a headache. So let's try them on. Okay. Oh my God, I'm nervous. All right. Oh, it's a little tight. I don't hate them. I thought I was really not gonna like the way my eyes look. I like them. Ooh, I feel so, it matches my new hair so well. Oh, okay. Well. Oh my God, I feel like I'm looking through a fishbowl. Ugh, if any of my fellow blind friends out there know this, we all know that headache that you instantly get when you try on a new prescription, whether it's like contacts or actual like glasses. It's like your vision's kind of off, but also it strains your eyeballs like immediately. That I'm gonna have to get used to, also because it's like a thick, darker frame, and I haven't had dark frames since like high school. Just seeing that my peripheral is gonna like bother me a little bit because I'm used to like these light ones, but here's my face with them. Sorry, I like just woke up and it's 2 p.m. I'm not proud of that, but so my hair is a mess, my bangs are all crazy, and my skin's disgusting, but yeah, I think they look really good. Okay, I'm happy. I will definitely shop here again. Yeah, like the lenses look really great and the frame is really clear. Okay, I'm happy with my decision. So yeah, if you're a broke bitch like me, I would definitely recommend buying your glasses online. You definitely have to have an updated prescription. When I tried buying contacts online, you had to like put in who your optometrist was. I don't think that was an option for like EyeBuyDirect. And like, I know glasses are a little bit like low stakes compared to contact lenses that go on your eyeball. All you need is like your updated prescription. Literally like the slip that I get, all of the little boxes that were filled in were all the little boxes that were like on the website that you had to fill in. So it was pretty straightforward. It was pretty easy. The only difficulty I had was like measuring your pupillary distance, but they have like a video on how to do that. All you need is like a little tape measure and just measure your pupils just so they can get it like centered. So I'm happy with my decision. Am I bummed out that my horrific vision cost me a little bit more than most people? Yeah, but you know, it is what it is. Like, I'm blind as hell and there's nothing I can do about it. I did spend a lot more on these bad boys and they got damaged in like the first 2 weeks. I'm happy with my decision, yay. Okay, yeah, I definitely recommend this. I'm pretty happy with it. Once I figure out my finances, I will definitely buy another frame. It'd be kind of cool to have options, and then I'm gonna get this prescription updated for these ones, so cool. Your girl got options now. All right, well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you can still give it a thumbs up. No one will know. That's it for me. Cheers. Ah, brilliant. I didn't almost chip my tooth with that one.